Hello, welcome to #LoveSummerArtReboot. And if you follow that hashtag and type it in your YouTube browser, you will find 40 plus artists participating in this virtual video festival, which starts on June 15th, 2019, and will be accessible 24/7 forever. Will always be accessible on YouTube as long as you type that into the browser. And what I'm doing right here is alcohol inks, and I use canned air to manipulate most of the time the inks, but for the stem and leaves I do use a brush. And so sometimes I just use it right out of the dropper, dropping it from the bottle, and other times I am brushing it on with a paintbrush with some ink that I've poured out into a plastic palette tray. And yes, I'm painting on black cardstock. And with alcohol inks, you don't want to paint on a porous surface. So I'm showing close-up shots of the finished one. And that's black cardstock that's been coated with 3 coats of clear gesso. So here I'm using the back side of photo paper because alcohol inks work best on non-porous surfaces such as glass, metal, any glass, metal, plastic. And so here I'm using the back side of photo paper, and with the inks I do use a blending solution. So there it's the blending solution plus the ink, helps it glide across the paper better. Here I'm using a paper towel that has some 91% isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol, with a little bit of violet to give it just a toned background. And they do dry very fast, unless you want to put extender in it, and extender can slow down the drying of the alcohol inks. But if you don't use the extender, yes, the alcohol inks dry pretty fast. So here I'm painting with the very tiny detail brush, stems and leaves. I'm going to use a larger brush, like that's about an inch flat brush, for just quickly painting on leaves. And I like to do it quickly just so that I'm not overworking it. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this virtual video art festival of 40 plus artists participating in this. And the hashtag is also down below in the description box. Hashtag #LoveSummerArtReboot. Thank you so much for watching. And please check out this video that I think will interest you, is how I work as an artist with a vision disability.